Okay, so we're going to go over Exhibit 7-1A. So you got the price of the bonds, $100,000, an 8% coupon rate, 4-year bond, interest paid semi-annually and sold when the market rate was 1, 8%, 2, 10%, 3, 6%. And then we're going to find what is the present value at each month of the market rate. So the first problem we're going to tackle is number 1, and this is when the coupon rate is 8% and the market rate is 8%. And when the coupon and the market rate are the same, that's known as par value. So the future values can be the same as the present value, but we'll go through how to enter that into the calculator and solve it. But first, let's go over the variables. So you got N, which if we look on the back of the calculator, is the number of payment periods. So it's 4 years times 2 payments a year, so it should be 8. The interest rate a year is 4%, and the interest rate a year comes from the market rate, which was 8 divided by 2, which gives us 4%. And then PMT, if you look down here, it says the payment amount, so that's 4,000, and that's going to be calculated as 100,000 times the 0.08 divided by 2. And the payment is calculated using the coupon rate. And then FE is the future value, so that's going to be the value we're given up here, which is 100,000. And then so now the first thing you're going to do, you got your calculator, turn it on, hit second, and then FV, because the second function on that's clear. And then we're going to go hit 8 for N, hit N, it stores it in N. Then 4 IY for interest rate a year. And the payments could be 4,000 minus, because it's cash outflow, payment, stores that. Future value, again, negative. So that makes it minus 100,000. Then you're hit compute PV, and it gives us right there 100,000, which is what we'd expect. Sorry. Now we're going to go to number 2. So for number 2, you got the coupon rate is 8%, but this time the market rate is 10. And this is known as a discount bond. So the way I like to think about this is, since the coupon rate is less than the market rate, that means the markets could be making more money. So that means that the present value of that bond is going to be down. So it's still the 4-year bond, semi-annual payment. So N is still going to be 8. Interest rate a year, this time, since the market rate's 10% divided by 2 is 5. The payment's not going to change because it's based off the coupon rate, and neither is future value. So all you have to do is come right here to the calculator, hit 5, and put that as IY for interest per year. Then you hit compute present value, and that gives us your answer. As you can see, $93,536.79. And then for number 3, you got the coupon rate is 8% and the market rate is 6%. So in this scenario, it's going to be a premium bond, because the bonds can be ordered earning more than the market rate. So you still got the 4 years, 2 payment a year gives you N of 8. Interest rate this time per year is going to be 3%, because the market rate was 6. Divide that by 2. Payment's still going to be the same, minus 4,000, because the coupon rate's still 8%. The future value is the same thing. So again, we're going to come back to the calculator, put 3 IY, second, present value. And now, as we expect, the present value is going to be more, 100,000 or 107,019 $107,019.69.